After the Eleusinian Mysteries and the Dionysian Mysteries, finally we come to the last of the three Greek mystery traditions that we will discuss, the Orphic Mysteries, which began between the 6th and 4th centuries BCE and lasted, like the two prior, into the 4th century CE. As opposed to the Dionysian mysteries just discussed, that were ecstatic, communal, and focused on divine madness and transcendence through ritual frenzy, the Orphic mysteries were more monastic and philosophical, with a structured cosmology and ethical code. Orpheus, a legendary Greek musician, poet, and prophet, is central to the Orphic mysteries as a mythical founder and spiritual archetype, whose descent into the underworld and divine musical gifts symbolize the soul's journey, the power of initiation, and the path to liberation through sacred knowledge and inner purification. While Orpheus served as the legendary initiator and teacher, it was the myth of Dionysus and his death, dismemberment, and rebirth that embodied the cosmic drama of the soul's fall and redemption at the heart of Orphic cosmology. Like the earlier Dionysian mysteries, the Orphic mysteries, also known as Orphism, use the same myth of Dionysus as their central theme. Orphism taught that humanity was born of the Titans, who devoured god Dionysus, leaving each soul with a dual inheritance, a divine spark from the god and a shadow of Titanic chaos, bound to the material world and longing for return to the spiritual realm. Orphism encouraged its adherents to follow the path of strict discipline and firm restraint, to practice vegetarianism, and to perform initiatory rites designed to purify the soul and liberate it from the cycle of rebirth and reincarnation, called metempsychosis in Orphic tradition. This concept of the Orphic metempsychosis may draw conceptual parallels to the Eastern doctrine of samsara, which is the cycle of life, death, and rebirth or reincarnation that traps all worldly life. Hinduism uses the word moksha, and Buddhism uses the word nirvana to describe the escape from this cycle of samsara. This Greek idea of metempsychosis was likely influenced by earlier Hindu and Buddhist concepts of reincarnation and the soul's karmic journey, transmitted through cultural contact with the East via trade, conquest, and philosophical exchange. These ideas found in the Orphic mysteries laid early foundations for Western esoteric systems by introducing the theme of the soul's ascent from material bondage to divine union, a structure that reappears in later Platonism, Neoplatonism, Hermeticism, and early Christian mysticism. Orphism taught that the path to salvation was through purification, ethical living, and mystical knowledge. The symbolic death and resurrection of Dionysus foreshadowed similar motifs found throughout medieval alchemy and Renaissance esotericism. As such, Orphism served as the philosophical and symbolic precursor to many of the core themes that later characterized mystery schools and secret societies, laying the foundation for the lineage of the future Western esoteric tradition. Thank you for watching. Find more at joinseek.org.